Let's see here. Wait a minute. Wow. My favorite YouTuber subscribed to me. I can't believe this has happened. Let me check my channel. Holy shamily. Wow. I never knew that I would get that much subscribers. I have about 13 now and I made my channel yesterday.
Caillou, why did I hear you get excited?
I made a YouTube channel yesterday and I got my first 13 subscribers. I made a video on Christmas Day and I got good comments.
What? Let me see. Caillou, I am so glad you got your first 13 subscribers. That's it. You are so ungrounded for life. Go ahead and make an altar video. And I will tell everyone the good news.
And then the fish came to the ship where there was a lot of pirates. And the fish used its tail to hit a bomb and swam away really fast and then the ship exploded. And everything was okay. So everything was back to normal and they lived happily ever after. The end.
Wow. That story was really good. I can't believe that the fish was the big hero. I wonder if there is a part 2 to this story. Please tell me more.
Well, let's see.
Dad, please leave. Mom was telling me a good story and you came here and ruined it.
I don't care. Just shut the frick up and leave me alone. Anyway guys, I have good news.
What is it?
Caillou had made a YouTube channel and got his first 13 subscribers. I feel like he is going to get popular someday. Hopefully, our son will become successful. Even though he misbehaved once, I think he is still gonna be successful.
Wow. I can't believe Caillou got his first 13 subscribers on YouTube. It's probably showing how good Caillou is.
What? Seriously, Dad? You came and ruined the story just for someone who made a stupid YouTube channel and got their first 13 subscribers. I saw the video from Kevin saying to subscribe to Caillou Anderson. Why are you so big with some stupid surprises? I might as well delete Caillou's YouTube channel.
Rosie, if you even dare do that, you will be grounded. So don't even think about it.
I don't care, I am doing it whether you like it or not. Caillou, get over here right now.
Oh no. We need to catch Rosie before she deletes Caillou's YouTube channel. I feel like bad things are about to happen.
Yes. We have to catch her and stop talking like little idiots. Rosie, get over here right now.
I am going to delete your channel. Say goodbye forever. Any last words?
Actually, I do.
Channel. That's it. You're grounded for 5 likes and 2 days and 25 seconds. Go to your room right now and never coming out room again.
Oh, don't worry. I grounded Rosie myself. So you won't have to deal with it yourself.
Doris, do you think it's time to tell him?
Boris. It's the only way we can show that Caillou is really good. So yeah. We should.
Okay. I guess we will. Caillou, you won't believe what we got you.
What is it, Dad?
We got you this ticket. It's a ticket to go on a vacation. But you can only use it on New Year's Day.
Thank you Mom and Dad.